company Through Night puts out some great flashlights. Now they're starting to put out other things also. One of the first things they put out was this new keyring. It's all titanium. It's 2 pieces. It's like the old stainless steel ones. Push this together, you slide that over, it comes apart. It's got a little ball joint. Push it back, goes back in place. My dad had one stainless steel, and he had that with him for probably 40 years, and it never broke. This being titanium, it's lighter, stronger. It's just over a 1/4 ounce, I believe. It's 0.26 of an ounce, so just slightly over a 1/4 ounce. Very light. Comes with the 2 sections and 2 rings. On mine, I've got my alarm, I've got some 550, I've got my ignition key, and I've got a Through Night flashlight. This one happens to be the TO1. Been with me for about 6 or 7, maybe 8 years. I've got my bike lock, I've got my house key, I've got my club key. Yes, I still use a club in my truck. It's been with me since my first car in high school. I've got my toolbox key, I've got a P.O. box key, I got another toolbox key. Let's say I go to a dealer, I go to a place that's going to do some work on my car. With a quick clip, boom, they got my keys for my truck. I've got my house keys and other keys that I need. Back together. We'll give you a closer look at these, add a few pictures. There'll be a link in the details. You want to check it out. Through Night. Titanium keyring. Pretty cool. So here's a really close look at it. It's separated. You gotta keep it separated. You see those ball bearings in there? I can count 3 of them, I believe. When you push this down, it allows those ball bearings to slide back into the wall, the outer wall, the inner wall. When you close it, it shoves them in forward, which locks them around below the side of that ball. It is an old concept made up to date with the use of titanium. So there will be a link in the details. Check it out.